Hey, this is Eric from At the Ballpark Cards, opening a box of Bowman Chrome X for Josh. This is from the recent IPO from StockX, and got one box of it here, and we're going to go ahead and see what we've got. Good luck, Josh. I will be very careful here and cutting it open so that you can hold on to this box. There we go. It is a rookie. It is Danny Jansen for the Blue Jays. That's a PSA 10. Number 26 out of 31. That is card number 88. And it is a PSA 10. Rookie catcher for the Blue Jays. Thank you, Josh. Appreciate it.